Hey guys, Pokemon Master. I'm back on play Pokemon Social. In the last episode, we were in the gym, and now I started it here because, well, I don't know, I just wanted to start it here. So let's fight this thing. Sorry about that camera angle, guys. Anyway, Chicken Thunder Shock. Mean look. Ha, she just gave me a free Thunder Wave. My plan was to paralyze Jinx, so I would be able to go first. Just so I could get a little bit more of the stuff that I need to do. No, don't use Ice Punch. No, don't. Don't die. No! Don't die! Thunder Shock. Sorry about the chickens. Chicken keeps wanting to use the Quick Claw. Now you have it, don't. Ha! You're paralyzed, yeah. Fine then, I'll kill you. Yes, Jinx is down. Taking good things for a little bit. Do 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 do. And we get 920 bucks. I mean 28 bucks. Anyway. And I hope we don't run into any more seals in that gym. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Let's switch Silver into a lead. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Done. Ah, seal. I hate seals, man. So, anyway, Silver versus Seal. Let's use Surf. Dude, oh. Removes rest, it puts you to sleep, and also restores your HP. A little bit more so you can kill him in one more hit. Yes! Lucky. Ah! She woke up. Well, I did nothing anyway. So his headbutt. See if that. Let's see his headbutt on this. Ah! Fine then, I want to use headbutt anyway. Oh, critical hit! Darn! It isn't awkward. Finish it off with headbutt. And Dugong's dead. That was a waste of a turn, Dugong, I can say. And so we're going to level 29. Yay! Let's switch to chicken. It's just a regular seal. Chicken's got this in the bag. Just in case the seal knows Encore. Oh, dang. How come you go first? Oh, he must be trying to... Come on. Oh! It's super effective. Chicken used Thunder Shock. And Seal dies. And chicken wins. Chicken grew to level 29. Anyway, we're gonna have to heal and maybe stock up on items if we don't have any. Cause price really tough. Got 5 hyper potions, 2 super potions, 1 max potion, 10 potions. And I think we're pretty good. We're pretty stocked up. So let's take on the gym leader, Place. The Ice Master. So let's go on. Oh no! See if that's done. I didn't want it there. So you push that over there. Push here. Go straight to here. And go right here. That place. Now let's save. Okay, so my guys are healed up. I'm pretty stocked up. And there's no hidden traps here. So I guess we should take them on. And some talk and talk. A seal. Oh, chicken, you got this. You got seals. So maybe we can kill a seal in the time limit. Let's see. I don't think so. If chicken can take him out that easily. Ah. No. Okay, in the next episode we'll finish off Price.